In the year 2300, humanity had long since spread beyond the confines of Earth, exploring and colonizing the stars. As they ventured further into the galaxy, they encountered numerous alien species, each with their own unique cultures, technologies, and physical adaptations. However, one thing set humans apart from all the rest: their unparalleled ability to survive and thrive in the most extreme and varied climates. The Galactic Council, a governing body comprised of representatives from various intelligent species, had long been aware of this peculiar trait of humans. They marveled at the resilience and adaptability of this relatively young species, who seemed to possess an innate ability to withstand conditions that would prove fatal to most other life forms. It was this very trait that led to the Council's decision to approach humanity with a daunting task. They had discovered a planet, designated as Kepler X-47, which harbored an abundance of rare resources crucial for the advancement of galactic civilization. The problem was that Kepler X-47's climate was so extreme and unpredictable that no known species could survive there for extended periods. The Council turned to humanity, offering them the chance to establish a colony on Kepler X-47 and harvest its resources in exchange for a significant share of the profits and an elevated status within the galactic community. The humans, always eager for a challenge and driven by an insatiable curiosity, accepted the offer without hesitation. The first wave of human colonists arrived on Kepler X-47, equipped with state-of-the-art environmental suits and habitats designed to withstand the planet's harsh conditions. They found themselves confronted with a world of extremes: vast deserts with temperatures exceeding 60 degrees C, 140 degrees F, towering mountain ranges blanketed in perpetual ice and snow, and sprawling jungles teeming with toxic flora and fauna. Undeterred, the humans set about establishing their colony, adapting their technology and tactics to overcome each new challenge the planet threw at them. They built underground cities to escape the scorching heat of the deserts, developed advanced heating systems to keep their mountain outposts warm, and created air filtration units to purify the toxic atmosphere of the jungles. As the colony grew and prospered, the Council looked on in awe. The humans not only survived on Kepler X-47 but thrived, transforming the once uninhabitable world into a hub of industry and innovation. The success of the Kepler X-47 colony sparked a new era of human expansion, as they were called upon to colonize other extreme worlds deemed unsuitable for life by the galactic community. The humans became known as the pioneers of the unforgiving frontier, and their reputation spread far and wide. They were no longer seen as a young, inexperienced species, but as valuable allies and partners in the exploration and development of the galaxy. One of the most remarkable stories to emerge from this era was that of Dr. Lila Sorensen, a brilliant xenobiologist who had been part of the first wave of colonists on Kepler X-47. Dr. Sorensen had always been fascinated by the adaptability of life and had dedicated her career to studying the unique ways in which organisms evolved to survive in extreme environments. On Kepler X-47, Dr. Sorensen found herself presented with an opportunity to study adaptation on a scale she had never before imagined. The planet's constantly shifting climate and hostile conditions meant that any life that managed to gain a foothold there would have to be incredibly resilient and quick to evolve. Over the years, Dr. Sorensen and her team made groundbreaking discoveries about the nature of life itself. They found microorganisms that could withstand temperatures of over 200 degrees Celsius (392 degrees Fahrenheit), plants that could photosynthesize using infrared light, and animals that had evolved to breathe the toxic gases that permeated the planet's atmosphere. These discoveries not only revolutionized the field of xenobiology but also had practical applications for the human colonists on Kepler X-47. By studying the adaptations of the planet's native life, Dr. Sorensen and her team were able to develop new technologies and techniques that allowed the humans to survive and thrive in even the most hostile environments. As the human presence on Kepler X-47 grew, so too did the planet's importance to the galactic community. The rare resources that the humans were extracting from the planet's crust became the driving force behind a new era of technological advancement and exploration. Other species began to look to humanity for guidance and assistance in colonizing their own extreme worlds. The humans, with their hard-won expertise and advanced technologies, became sought-after partners in the ongoing effort to expand the frontiers of the known galaxy. Dr. Sorensen herself became a legend in the scientific community. Known as the mother of extreme adaptation, her work inspired a new generation of scientists and explorers who saw in her example the boundless potential of the human spirit to overcome even the most daunting of challenges. As humanity's influence continued to grow, they began to push the boundaries of what was thought possible. They ventured into ever more hostile environments, from the crushing depths of ocean worlds to the airless voids of lifeless moons. They became the guardians of the galaxy's most precious and inaccessible resources, ensuring that the benefits of their unique abilities were shared with all. In the end, it was the indomitable human spirit, forged in the crucible of Earth's own varied climates and tempered by the harsh realities of life on the galactic frontier, that propelled them to the forefront of the galactic stage. The galaxy had once looked upon humanity as a fragile, insignificant species, but now it would forever remember them as the masters of the unbearable and the conquerors of the impossible. Dr. Lila Sorensen's legacy lived on long after she had passed, inspiring generations of scientists and adventurers to push the boundaries of what was possible. Her work, and the work of countless other human pioneers, had forever changed the face of the galaxy, proving once and for all that no challenge was too great, no environment too extreme, for the indomitable spirit of humanity to overcome. As the centuries passed and humanity's reach extended ever further into the stars, the old saying taken on new meaning: when the going gets tough, the humans get tougher. And so they did, blazing a trail of discovery and innovation across the cosmos, always seeking out new frontiers, new challenges, and new opportunities to prove their mettle. In the end, it was this unquenchable thirst for exploration and adventure that came to define humanity's place in the galaxy. They were the trailblazers, the pioneers, the ones who dared to dream the impossible and then made it a reality. And though the challenges they faced were great, the rewards of their efforts were greater still: a galaxy transformed by the power of the human spirit, and a legacy that would endure for generations to come.